Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check for software update in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see software update option, then just tap here. Now from here make sure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is turned on, but I suggest you to turn on Wi-Fi. After that tap on download and install option. And you can see it's checking for updates, so just give it a moment. And you can see in my phone software is up to date. In my phone current Android version is 14 and UI version is One UI 6.1. You can also check your current version security patch level from here. Now if you go back, you can also enable this option from here, auto download over Wi-Fi option. Then software update will be downloaded automatically when connected to a Wi-Fi network. You can also check your last software update from here. And that is how you can check for software update in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.